most of the times the test
Mhm.
takers have an issue that once our sessions are completed, we won't be attended to, our queries won't be answered, and we won't get response from the trainer or the CCL tutorial as a team. So how was your experience post training?
ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਲੋੜ ਪਈ ਆ, ਲਾਈਕ ਮੈਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਕੀਤਾ, ਆਈ ਲਾਈਕ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਇੰਸਟੈਂਟ ਰਿਪਲਾਈ ਮਿਲਿਆ। ਆਈ ਐਮ ਹੈਪੀ ਵਿਦ ਦੈਟ। ਐਨੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਮੈਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ, ਆਈ ਗੈਟ ਮਾਈ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਸ ਐਂਡ ਵਟ ਐਵਰ ਮਾਈ ਕੁਇਰੀਜ਼ ਇਜ਼ ਸੋਲਵਡ every time.
Were you given proper attention or did you face any issues?
No, I didn't face any issue. I was like, even in the group, I feel like it is a one-on-one session.
I would like to know from you, how was your experience with us as a trainer, as a group? How was your experience with CC Tutorial?
I think it was like tutorials were like so interactive. So I didn't need to I didn't need to practice from myself, like all the content and vocabulary which was shared by you. So it was very helpful for me to like pass and get the like more than the desired score. So it was great experience, and I will recommend to everyone if they want to do Naati exam, they should go for Aussizz Group.